Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the world Figgy Coin, where blockchain meets inclusion and finance get a fresh, funky face. So, what if I told you there is a crypto project out there that mixes serious global finance goals with a cool elephant in sunglasses? So, hi everyone, I am here today. I will share and bring you something truly unique. So, stick around because this is not just about a coin, it's about a movement. So, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review about this Figgy Coin. Figgy Coin is not just a random crypto project, it's directly inspired by the World Bank's Financial Inclusion Global Initiative, also known as Figgy. The World Bank envision a world where every person, no matter where they live, they has access to safe, digital, and affordable financial services. So, here, welcome to the Figgy, and Figgy coin takes the same vision and says, why not put it on the blockchain? Why not make it fun and community driven too? So, here it is, Figgy. You can buy Figgy from here. Token sold amount is given here. USD raised is given like 10.04%. It is on Solana balance wallet. You can see their phase 1 is live. One Figgy is equal to 0.0011 USD. Phase 2, one Figgy will be is equal to 0.0022. Its price will be double, so you can see it here. So you can easily buy it with it one Solana, and you can get that. For that, you can connect it with your wallet. You have to touch on the wallet connect. You can connect it with a MetaMask, any other wallets you are using, and you can purchase it. So about Figgy coin, the funkiest meme coin in the crypto space. So here is about that. All right, so what is Figgy coin exactly? Let's break it down. Inspired by the Figgy, which is also stand for Financial Instrument Global Identifier, a standard uses globally to identify financial instruments. So this is not just some meme coin, it's linked to the global finance system at a conceptual level. So it is for that, built for inclusion. Figgy coin mission is to help bring more people into the digital economy. Imagine people is remote areas having access to the financial services right from their mobile devices, without banks, without borders, and without barriers. So powered by blockchain, trustless, transparent, community driven. Figgy coin uses blockchain to ensure accessibility and transparency in every transaction. They have given here the vibe. Oh yes, did I mention the elephant in sunglasses? It's not just branding, it's a statement. Finance does not have to be boring, it can be visionary and vibrant. So Figgycon is built to unite meme lovers, crypto tanks, collectors in one groovy, decentralized ecosystem with a bold vision and unforgettable personality. Figgycon is not just a coin, it's a vibe. So their tokenomics is given here. You can see it here. The name is Figgy coin, symbol is Figgy, blockchain is Solana, and the supply is given here, which is a lot. 40% of that supply will go for the public sale IOC, and 15% for their marketing community growth, 5% for the reserve and CX listing, 25% for the liquidity pool, 10% for the team 1 year log vesting, and 5% is for the airdrop. You can see the roadmap where the phase 1 is about the foundation. You can see smart contract development and tokenomics finalization, website and white paper, community, social setup. In phase 2 they will go for the community growth. In phase 3 they will go for the IOC token, and in phase 4 they will go for launch expansion like Figo DAO launch. And you can see their details. Think about it, right now over 1.4 billion people around the world are unbanked, no access to the basic financial services. What if a coin could change that? So their FAQs are given here. You can read their questions and their answer will be given here. So it is given here. It is the tool to save, invest, and transact without the needing. You can see that's what Figgycoin is aiming for, and that's what make it stand out from the noise. So I will share the details with you, but do your own research. This video is for education purpose, it is not a financial advice. So if you are someone who believes that the financial access should be human right and love crypto projects that actually mean something, go and check out Figgycoin to dive deeper into the white paper roadmap and community. Their white paper is given. I will open that with you too and share it. You can see the blogs, and furthermore here is their white paper. You can see their details on the white paper too. It's all the mission statement, why Figgy Coin aligned with the World Bank vision, Solana speed. They have the globally recognized name and meme power with purpose, community driven, and all the updated location roadmap. Everything is given. You can read all that from here. You can check out their Figgy Coin website and also deeper into their white paper. And here is all the details. You can even go and join them on their Telegram and also on the Twitter, so that you can be able to be a part of their more news and their latest details. So here is all detail. If you like the video, like this, do not forget to like, comment your thoughts below, subscribe for more breakdowns of meaningful web3 project. And this is all that. This is for today video. Whether you are here for the tech mission or just the elephant in shades, Figgy is definitely one to keep an eye. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and stay crypto. Figgy out. Thank you for watching.